Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pizza burgers. Alright, I'm starting out here in a skillet I preheated and I have a pound of ground beef in here. And I'm just going to break this up. So we're going to brown up the ground beef, we're going to brown it up. And I kind of got to drain the excess grease off because this isn't a lean ground beef. And Dexter's all excited because we're having pizza. Burger steak. Dexter loves pizza. Right, Dexter? So I'm going to go ahead and get this broke up. And I'm going to throw in a medium onion I diced up with the ground beef and fry that in there with it. Okay, now that my ground beef is all browned up and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Now this is optional, but I'm going to add in, it's a 10-ounce can, undrained. I'm also going to add in a 10.5-ounce can of tomato soup. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to allow this to simmer for a few minutes. Okay, now that my meat sauce is done, and you probably hear my air fryer in the background, I'm making some french fries to go with these. I have some English muffins here. I split in half and I put into the broiler for just a minute or so to get them browned up. It didn't take long. I'm going to sprinkle some garlic salt on them. Just a light coating garlic salt on each one. And I add a little salt to my meat mixture, probably about a half a teaspoon. Right, that's looking good. Now my meat's off, it's hot, the pan's hot. I'm going to add a little bit of meat to each one of these English muffins. Alright, now that I have meat on all of my English muffins, and I'm just going to go back over what the leftover meat I have and just add a little extra to them. I start out sparingly to make sure I have enough, but I have extra, so we're just going to load them up with the leftover meat. And this is looking good. Alright. Now I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to go ahead and top all of these with some cheese. Just want to put a nice little healthy coating on there. And you see I line my sheet pan with some foil because that way after it's done baking I can just throw that foil away. Easy cleanup. Now that I have them all covered with cheese, I'm going to take some sliced pepperoni. And you can put any kind of toppings on these you like mushrooms, green peppers, whatever. We'll just throw in pepperoni. And I'm going to go ahead and put like 2 pieces of pepperoni on each one. Alright, now that I have all my pepperoni on, I'm going to put this back into the broiler. And the broiler's set on high. And I'm only going to do it for a minute or so till the cheese melts and the pepperoni starts to cook. It won't take long, so you want to stay with this. Alright guys, these are done. They just come out of the oven. It only took 2 minutes under the broiler. Like I said, you have to watch them because they'll burn. They're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give these a try. And they're going to be hot. Listen for that crunch of that English muffin. They're good. You get the crunch of the English muffin, that sauce melted down into the muffin, soaked in there. The meat is tasty, you get that cheese. Let me try a bite of pepperoni. That's really delicious guys, and they're really easy. And talk with my mouth full. You could eat them as a meal like we are today with french fries. You can make these as a little snack for the kids or whatever, movie night. Alright, there you have it, pizza burgers. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.